tiptoed to his door. To his despair, his little wifey was there, waiting to lay down the law. Said she, I'm through, I'm really sick of you. Get out, stay out, and be on your way. Well, he dropped down on his knees, cried, oh, please. But this is all she had to say. Get up, off your knees, Papa. You can't win me back that way. Turn in all your keys, Papa. You really going this time to stay. I've discovered that you're the worst man in this town. Looks like you're fond of keeping on going lower down. Get up, off your knees, Papa. You can't win me back that way. Get right up off your knees, Papa. I'm telling you, you can't win me back that way. Turn in all your keys, Papa, 'cause I've put you out this time to stay. You're so blamed crooked here of late. Looks like it's a hard matter for you to keep your head up straight. So get up off your knees, Papa. You can't win me back that way. Anyhow, stand up when you're making your pleas. No use you wearing out your knees. I heard someone say right next door, look mighty strange down there on all fours. Stop it. Down like that. What in the devil anyhow can you be driving at? So get up and stay up off your knees, Papa. You can't win me back that way. Besides, it looks suspicious. And you can't